So I'm gonna use the CLX to amplify that routine that we just did. And what I notice is it gives me more activation in the core without having to say, turn the core on. So I'll walk into my plank position. I'm gonna take my right foot to the outside of the right hand. I've got my loop to pull and give me that extra resistance now. For good T-spine mobility, I'll bring it back, come up, other side. Back down. Plank. Feet are wide. Walk back. I could come into here. Extend, which I love to see my patients get that extension in their spine. So many of them have lost that. They have a rounded kyphosis from sitting so much. Bring the shoulder up, other arm up. I can hold this position with the CLX, really feel my scapula, my extensors working, sink into my heels and go straight up. And wind up in this position. And come on down again and repeat that whole maneuver. Good exercise.